Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we're looking at HCF and LCM or LCM and HCF, and we want to solve these questions. Though my student will soon join the class, but I want to quickly explain the basic concept for somebody that is just learning this topic for the first time. Like to find LCM, you can do it in two ways, and to find HCF also you can do it in two ways. Let's take for example, if you want to find the LCM and HCF of, let's say you have some numbers like 12, 18, yeah, 12 and 18. Let's do it that way. Now, what we need to do to find the LCM, we need the multiples. And to find the HCF, we need the factors. So for LCM, we need what? Multiples. Then for HCF, we need what? Factors. Because this is highest common factor and this is lowest common multiples. When we get the multiples out, we find the common multiples, then we pick the lowest. When we get the factors out, we find the common factors, then we, pick the lowest. So for 12, okay, my student want to join now. I will still, go ahead and explain this even if she joins the class, even after she joins the class. So just stay tuned there. Thank you very much. How are you today?
Good.
All right. You started your video, but it's not showing, right?
I don't know what
Okay.
happened.
Okay. What you're going to do is that you will leave the meeting. That's one. Are you using a laptop?
Yes.
Then you will power off the laptop and on it again. After you on it, you now connect back. Then it should show. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So quickly try that. Yeah, I'm going to, get out of the class shortly. So while I wait for my student to join, what I was explaining before, I said we want to try and find LCM and HCF. And like I explained, for LCM simply means lowest common multiple. Then HCF means highest common factor. So for LCM, you need multiples of a number. Then you find the common multiples of the two given numbers or three given numbers. Then you find the lowest among the common multiples. The same thing with factors. You get the factors of the given numbers, then the common factors and the highest common factors. So there are methods to use. I said for this one, for the LCM, we need to find multiples, and for the HCF, we need to find factors. So that is what we want to do now. What are the two numbers given? We're given 12 and 18. We'll find the LCM and we'll find the HCF. Okay, let's quickly do that. I said for this one, we need multiples. What are the multiples of 12? We'll start with 12. The next multiple is 24. Add 12 again, 36. Add 12 again, 48. Add 12 again, 60, and so on. Now, I could add 12 to get 72. I could add 12 to get, if I had 12 to this, that would be 84. Then if I add 12 to this, that would be 96. So let's just stop it there for now. Then for 18, which is the second number, we want to find the multiple. So 18, add 18, you get 36. Add 18, you get 54. Add 18 to 54, you get 72. Then add 18 to this, you get this is 8, this is 9, you get 90, and so on. So we can stop it there. Now let us look at the common multiples. These are the multiples. Multiples of 12, multiples of 18. Okay, my student want to join now also. Let me admit her into the class. And let's see if it's going to work. Your video still didn't work, right?
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Okay, is your mom around?
I think she's in my room.
Okay, please tell her so that she can look at it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Why she tells the mom, I think I'm going to, like share a different screen and continue this explanation. This is another work that I did here, but I'm just gonna remove this. Then I'll share that as a major screen there so we can continue with what we're looking at. Okay, now, so we've got it. Let's get the common factors. I mean, common multiples rather. So what's common to both of them? I can see 12 here, but it's never here, so I don't need it. 24 is here, it's not here, I don't need it. But 36 is here, so I need 36. Okay, now your video is showing, right? Right. Oh, you are muted. I cannot even hear you.
Yeah.
How are you today?
Good.
All right, you're welcome to class for today. Before I take you didn't send your homework. Did you do the homework?
Yeah. I
Okay.
only did 2 questions. I couldn't do the rest.
Okay, you did two questions. No problem with that. I'm just trying to do some, some explanation right here on the basic, like an introduction all over again, okay, on this topic.
Okay.
You might not need to write this down, but just listen as I continue with what I'm doing here, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be an added advantage for you to, freshen up your knowledge. Now, these are two numbers. And what are we finding? We are finding LCM and HCF, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And of course, you already know what we need to do. You know, we have two methods, right?
Yes.
The method, we could use division method, we could use the factors and multiple method. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now here I'm using the factor and multiple method. So for HCF, I need to find the factors of the given numbers. Then I get a common factor and pick the highest, right?
Yes.
Good. Let me divide this page and see. Then for the LCM, I need to find the multiples, then the common multiples, and select the lowest of the common multiples. So that's what I'm trying to do for 12 and 18 here. I got 12 here. So the multiples of 12 are what? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, and so on, right?
Yes.
Good. And the multiples of 18 are what? 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, and so on. If I were to add another 18 to this, I'll get 108, right?
Yes.
Good. Now I'm picking the common multiples, CM, common multiples. So there's no there's 12 here, but it doesn't exist here. So there's 24 here, it doesn't exist here. But there's 36, I pick it. There's 48, no 48. There's 60, no 60. There's 72, okay, and there's also 72. I can pick 72, and so on. So now, for all of the multiples that I listed, these are the common multiples, right?
Yes.
So what is now the lowest common multiple? That is
36.
36. So that is for one method of doing it. But for the second method of doing the LCM is to divide, is to do what?
Divide.
And I think that is the method you find a little bit confusing, right? Right?
Yeah.
Good.
I did that method.
I mean, that's the method you find a little bit confusing, right?
Yes.
Because you understood the first method very well, which is the multiple method. Is that correct?
Yes.
I could see in the previous work I gave to you. Now, 12 is written and 18 is written. You are going to start dividing them to find the LCM. And I told you you have to divide them by prime number. What's the smallest prime number?
2.
2. So you're going to use 2. How many 2 goes in 12?
That's 6.
6. Then how many 2 goes in 18?
9.
9. So can 2 still divide them?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Will 2 divide odd number? No. I told
Oh
you.
no. Then
So 2
sorry. Then
cannot. So since 2 cannot divide both of them, we will not use 2. 2 can divide this, but it can divide this, so we will not use 2, okay?
okay.
We will use 3 first. Is that clear? Unless, because it's LCM we're looking for, we can use 2 just to divide only 1, okay? Please look
Okay.
at the screen. Look at the screen. Don't look elsewhere, please. Just to divide only 1. Which one do I want to divide with 6 now? I mean, which one do I
Um.
want to divide with 2, rather?
6.
6. And how many 2 goes in 6
That's
on your
gonna
left?
be 1, 3.
3. So since it cannot divide 9 without remainder, I'm not going to divide it, okay?
Okay.
Then I cannot use 2 any longer, right?
Yes.
What can I use now?
3.
3. Good, because 3 is the next prime number. So how many 3 goes in 3?
1.
1. How many 3 goes in 9?
3.
3. Now I can still use 3, though it won't divide the 1. So the 1 remains as 1 because this is LCM. You only follow this method for LCM, okay?
Okay.
If it's HCF, you don't divide once nothing can divide them together. You don't divide. Now, how many 3 goes in 3? That's 1. So this
1.
is the minimum. What is my LCM?
2 times 2 times 3 times 3
So
equal
that is 2
36.
square times what? 3 square, right? So
Yes.
what is 2 square? 4. What is 3 square? 9. What is 4 times 9?
4. 36.
36. Can you see it's the same with the answer we got there, right?
Yes.
The answers are what? The same. Okay, that is the of using the two
But,
methods, to
but I
find.
thought we had to divide the LCM by the HCF
Wait, wait,
for
wait,
18 and 12.
wait. I'm not solving your question. I'm just explaining. We will go back to the question to see what we're supposed to do. Maybe coincidentally, I'm using the same number, right?
Yes.
Am I using the same number?
18
Okay,
and
18
12.
and
Yeah.
12. Yeah, that's for the set number 7, right?
Yeah. I
That's for
think.
this number 7. Okay, good. So that means we've already solved that one, but let's use the second method to find let's find the second aspect. We've only found one aspect, which is LCM, right?
Yes.
Now we want to find what?
The
The
HCF.
HCF. Okay, fine. Now, what are the numbers again? I said we could use factor method.
18.
So we have 12 and
Uh,
what? 18.
18.
So for the 12, what do I have? What are the factors of 12?
14, 16, 18, 20,
No, we're
22,
not talking about
23.
multiples. We're not.
Oh,
In fact, that's not even multiple of 12. You are giving me multiple of 2. Okay.
okay.
So what are the factors of 12? The numbers that can divide 12. 1 can divide 12.
1,
2 can divide 12.
2,
3 can divide 12.
3,
4 can divide 12.
4,
6 can divide 12.
5.
Okay. And
Okay.
12. What are the numbers that can divide 18? 1 can divide 18
1,
without any remainder.
2,
2 can divide it without any remainder. What else?
3,
Okay, what else?
4,
Will 4 divide 18 without any remainder? When you check your 4
4.
multiplication table, is there 18 there?
No.
No, so why should it give me 4? What else?
So 6 can divide it.
6, very good. And what else?
9 can divide it.
9 can divide it. And finally, 18,
18
okay?
itself.
Because if you check it,
Yeah.
1 times 18 is what? 18. 2
18.
times 9 is what? 18. 3 times
18.
6 is what? 18. And if you check the
18.
one above, 1 times 12 is what? 12. 2 times 6 is what? 12. And 3
12.
times 4 is what? 12. So they must be able
12.
to give us those numbers. Now, what are the common factors? 1 is common,
1,
2 is common,
2,
3 is common,
3,
6 is common, and that's
6,
all. What is now the highest of the common factors?
6.
6 is the highest. So we found that. Now let's use the second method, okay?
Okay.
To find the what?
The highest common factor.
Good. So the first number is 12, the second number is 18. We can use 2 to divide them, just like what we did here. So how many 2 goes in 12?
6,
6. How many 2 goes in 18?
9.
9. Can we use 2 again now?
No.
No. You remember we used 2 here, right?
Yes.
That's because we're finding LCM. If it's LCM, you are permitted to go ahead. If 2 divides 6 and it doesn't divide 9, you can still go ahead. But under HCF, you must not go ahead, okay? So
Okay.
if I put 2, I would be wrong. So what else can I use now?
3.
3. So 3, how many 3 goes in 6?
That's 2.
That's 2. How many 3 goes in 9?
3.
Will any number divide them at the same time?
No.
So that's my answer. My answer is what?
The HCF equals 2 times 3 equals 6.
Which is 6. Can you still get the same answer no matter the method?
Yeah.
Good. So now back to the question 7 that you were given, which says, it says what? What would you get on dividing the LCM of this number by their HCF? So what is the LCM that we have?
36.
36. So to solve that question, we can go back there and say, okay, 36 divided by what is the HCF we got? 6.
6.
And what's the answer?
Well, that equals 6 because 6 times 6 is 36.
Very good. That's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Probably you might need to jot down anything on this page. I don't know which method you have used for your work, but is that number 7 part of the 2 questions you did? Was it part of the 2
The
questions you
divide.
did?
Yeah.
What are the numbers you did?
I think I did 7 and 6.
Wait, quickly send me the ones you did. Send it to me. Let me
Yeah,
see.
my mom said she sent it to you.
Okay, she sent it. When?
Yeah.
Is it today?
Yeah.
Today? No, it has not been delivered. Please check.
Okay, I'll be back.
All right. Okay, so viewers, we're going to continue shortly. All right. I think this is the work you submitted. I will check the first one, but let's first check the second one. You didn't get the answer to the second one, right?
Yeah.
Because,
Wait. Second one?
yeah, number 2.
Mm, yeah, I got my answer.
You didn't get the correct answer. What's the correct answer anyway? Oh, was it 6? It was 6. The answer
Number
was 6.
6. Number 6 is number 1,
Wait,
yeah.
wait, wait, wait. The answer is supposed to be, I mean, number 2. Number 2 question. The second question you did, you got 3 as the answer, right? Right?
Yeah.
And I mean, that answer is not correct, right?
Yeah, but I restarted on another paper.
Wait, calm down, calm down. I said you didn't get the answer, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, and this is the solution here. Fine, that means you're still going to put down this one later when I'm through, okay?
Okay.
You're going to put it down. So let me now see what went wrong. That's why, you should know the 2 methods because if one method doesn't work, the other method should work. You wanted to write the multiples of 18, but you only started adding, what did you add? I can't even explain it because you said, okay, 20,
So,
22, 24, 26. No, that's wrong, right? For multiples of 18. That's wrong.
oh.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to
For your
be.
multiples of 18, supposed to be what? 18, then 36, right? You
Yes.
know, you had another 18, then add 18 to 36. What do you get? 54.
40. No, 54. Sorry.
Then add another 18. What do you get? 72, and so on.
Um.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you understand what went wrong with it, right?
Yes.
And what about 12? The 12 is supposed to be 12, then next should be 24, right?
Yes.
36, and so on. This was your best method, but I'm surprised you still missed this. Okay. So just take note. I'm going to give you a chance to write the correction, but not right now. So we're able to get that. Let's look at the first question then. It says find the
Alright.
product of the LCM of this and the LCM of the other number. So this time we're dealing with two LCMs, okay?
Okay.
Two LCMs. So let me put it here so that we can see what you've done. If you had followed the same method, if you have done the same thing, but I think you're supposed to get this one because you were able to get your multiples correctly well in this. Your multiples, you wrote 15, 30, 45, 60, right?
Yes.
But then, okay, yeah, this one also should be correct. But let me just quickly, solve it. All right. To find the LCM of the first set of numbers, I'm going to write the numbers. I would prefer the division method, 10 and 15, right?
Yes.
Then the other one is what? 6 and what? 20.
6 and 20. Yeah.
So I can just rule a line across all of them and divide them at the same time since it's all LCM I'm looking for. Okay. So now for the first category, which is the 10 and 15, can I use 2 to divide them? Will 2 divide both of them? 2 will not divide them, but I'm permitted to use 2 because
It's the
it's
LCM.
because it's the LCM. If it's HCF, I must not use the 2. So 2 goes here, 5, but 2 cannot divide this equally, okay?
Okay.
So I can write my 5 and still write my 15. Then for the other part here, can I use 2? Yes, I can use 2,
Yes.
right? Because the condition is for one of them to be even number or both of them should be even number. So here I get 3, here I get 10, right?
Yes.
Now, for the next step, I cannot use 2 because 2 will not divide any of these.
So we
And
can
I
use 3.
cannot, yeah, I can use 3. Good. 3 will not divide 5, so my 5 remains. But 3 divides 15 to give me what? 5. And for
5.
this one, I can use 3 only to divide this one. Oh, wait, I can still use 2. So it won't affect this, but it will divide the 10, right?
Yes.
Now here, I have no option than to use only 5 because that's both of them are 5. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. And here I can use 3. 3 will divide the 3, but it won't divide the 5. Then I can end up using what? 5.
5.
And that will give me 1 and 1. Okay.
Okay.
Let's assume it was the HCF. I cannot follow that. I have to think of the number that can divide both of them at the same time. Okay, for the first part, what's the LCM?
The LCM is
2 times
yeah,
3
2.
times
2.
5, right?
Yeah.
And for the
So 2
second part,
times
what's the
3.
LCM? That is 2
Okay.
squared times 3 times 5, right?
Yeah.
Good. So for this part, you have 6 times 5. And for this part, you have 4 times 15. Do you understand what I did?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So 6. So we could do 60 times 30.
Yeah,
That's
that's the
or
instruction.
60 times. Okay.
It says we should find the
So that will
product.
equal, yeah,
Okay. So product will be what?
the product of them will be, that will be, okay, 30 times 60 is
Just say 3
1000.
times 6,
3 times 6 is 8,
18, right?
right? Oh, 18, sorry.
Then you put the two zeros, okay?
Yeah,
Where did the two zeros come from? From here, right?
yeah.
Good. So you got what answer did you get? 1,800. So that means this one is
Yeah.
correct, okay?
Okay.
So if I'm to judge you out of the two, I'll say you get one of the two. Okay. mm, the LCM of 2 and 143 and the ACF is 1. Okay. If one of the numbers is 11, what is the other number? I mean, what is this question asking us to do? Let me try to check it very well. Oh, the LCM numbers, not 2 and the numbers. I just get that. Okay.
Okay.
It says the LCM of what?
The LCM of two
Two numbers
two
is
numbers
143,
143. Yeah.
and the HCF
Is
is 1, right?
one. Yeah.
So if one of the numbers is 11, what is the other number? Hmm, that's a tricky one. We can get that by saying that let's see, let's consider if LCM of 11 and a number, okay,
Okay.
a number x equal to 143. It means that the number, for LCM, the two numbers must be able to divide the LCM evenly, okay?
Okay.
What do I mean? Let's check where we found LCM. We found LCM to be 30 here, right?
Yeah.
So what are the two numbers? 10 and 15. 10 and 15 can divide 30, yes or no?
Yes.
And LCM here is 60. 6 and 20 can divide 60, yes or no?
Yes.
So the two numbers that were given must be able to divide 143. Now, what numbers can divide 143? That will lead us into what number whose LCM is 143. So we have to think of, like, since 11 can divide 143, let us divide 143 by 11 first, okay?
Okay.
So 143 divided by 11. 11 in 14 is what? 1.
One.
Remainder 3, right? And
Yes.
that will be 33. 11 in 33 is what? 3. So if we compare 11 and 13, which are both prime numbers, okay?
Okay.
Both of them are prime numbers, yes or no?
Yes.
Because nothing can divide both of them. So if we compare these two numbers, the HCF, no factor will be common to them other than 1, okay?
Okay.
Because it's only 1 that can divide them, no other number. So we still have our 11 and we have our 13 when we divide by 1. So the HCF is what? 1.
The HCF is one.
What about the LCM? Then we can go ahead and use 11. Then we have 1 here and still have 13 here, right?
Yes.
Then we can now use 13. We have our 1 here and we have 1 here also, okay?
Okay.
So the LCM will be what?
The
1
LCM will
times
be
11
one
times 13. And 1
times
times 11 is 11. 11 times 13 is 143. So what are the two numbers? 11 and what?
13.
13. Is that
11
clear?
and 13. Yeah.
11 and
Yes.
13. So the two numbers, the numbers are 11 and 13. So the other number is 13. Okay. Before we move on, put down this solution, okay? Put
Okay.
down everything on this page. These are two methods for LCM and two methods for HCF, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I send it to you.
I might request for it. Just put it down.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, viewers, we're going to continue shortly. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. The first one, we say find the LCM of the following. Since it's LCM and we want to use the division method, we're just going to divide the three numbers. So here's one line, the second line, and the third line. And I'm going to, just like cut it this way. And okay, let's firstly face the first one. Let's face the first one. We have 32, 32, then 112, and 8. We're looking for LCM. If it's HCF, once we divide and nothing can divide again, we stop. But since it's LCM, we can continue dividing until the last card. So 2 in 32 is what?
232 was
Don't give us
232
don't give
is
us
16.
Yeah, very good. I wanted to say don't give yourself any headache. Just say 2 in 3. How many 2 goes in 3? Only one. Remainder 1. Okay. Like when you count 1, 2, 3. How many 2 can you see there? Only 1, 2. Remainder 1, right?
Yeah.
So then the 1 makes 12 with the 2. How many 2 in 12? That's 6. That's where your 16 came from. Then 2 cannot divide 1, so we don't do that. We go to 11. How many 2 in 11? That's 5. 2 times 5 is 10. That means remainder 1 to make 12 with the 2. How many 2 again? That's
That's 6.
6. Then how many 2 here? That's 4. 2 can still divide them because they are all even
Even
numbers.
numbers.
So we have 2 in 16, that's 8. 2 in 5, that's 2. Remainder 1. 2 in 16, that's 8.
That's
And 2 in
8.
4, that's 2. So 2 can still divide them,
Because they're even numbers.
because they're even numbers. So we have 2 in 4, in 8, that's 4. 2 in 2, that's 1. 2 in 8, that's 4. Then 2 here, that's 1. Now, if it's HCF we're looking for, we stop here because nothing will divide the three of them at a go. Okay?
Okay.
But since it's LCM, we are permitted to continue. So 2 can still divide. We get 2 here, 2, 2 here, 7. Then this is still remaining the 1. Then 2 can still divide. We get 2 here, 1. Then nothing, divide this. And then you now use 7. Then you have your 1, 1, 1. Okay?
Okay.
So now we have to write out everything multiplied to get the what? To get the LCM.
To
How
get
many
the
2's? How
LCM.
many 2's are there? 5.
5.
2 raised power 5 times 7. What is 2 raised power 5?
So 2. So 2. So 2 plus 2, right?
No,
Stuff like that.
no.
Okay.
What
So
is
2
what is
times 2.
2 raised power 5? What does that mean?
So like how many? Uh,
It
2
means
to 5
it means
times
2 times 2 times 2 times
2
2 times
times
2.
2.
So what is 2 times 2? 4. What is 4 times 2?
Okay.
8. What is 8 times 2? 16. 16 times 2 is what? 32.
32. So
So this is going
our
to be 32
LCM.
times 7, okay?
Okay. So 2 times.
32 times
So
7.
30. Okay. So that's right. Okay.
What is 2 times 7?
2 times 7 is gonna be 14.
14. Then what is it remains 1. What is 2 times what is 7 times 3?
7 times 3 will be 40.
21
7
plus
times 3.
2.
Okay.
I mean plus 1, that's 22, right?
Yes.
So this is 224. What we are trying to say is that 32 can divide 224 because that's the LCM. 112 can also divide 224 because it's the LCM. Then 8 can also divide 224. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the second part. Don't write anything, just listen carefully. We have some numbers. What are the numbers? 15, 225, and what?
And 45.
So we want to divide them. Two will not divide them because they are what's it called
Odd
odd
numbers.
numbers. So we can try three. 3 in 15.
That's
And we want to
5.
divide this by 3. Let's see whether 3 will divide it. 3 in 22 is 7, remainder 1. 3 in 15 is what? 5. Then 3 in 4, 1, remainder 1. 3 in 15,
That's 15.
5. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
3 will divide two of them. It will not divide 5. But 3 in 7 is 2, remainder 1. 3 in 15 is what? 5. 3 in 15 again here, 5. Now 3 cannot divide any one of them. We can use 5. 5 here, 1. 5 here, 5. Look at the board, please. 5 here, 1. Then we can also use 5 since it's LCM. Otherwise, we would have stopped when the 3 could not divide them again, okay?
Okay.
So 5, we have 1, 1, 1. So again, LCM is what? 3 square
Her Lcm.
times 5 square, right?
Yes.
3 square is 9. 5 square is 25. Then that should give us 2 to 5. Okay?
Okay.
What we are saying in the nutshell, in the essence, is that 15 can divide 2 to 5, 2 to 5 can divide 2 to 5, and 45 can divide 2 to 5. That's why it's the LCM, okay?
Okay.
All right, put down the two solutions.
And then we're done for class, or no?
Yes, once you put it down, we're done for the class for today.
There's only 3:44. I do not
Don't
understand. And I thought we end like around 4.
don't worry yourself. Just
Okay.
put this down. In fact, I can even ask you to re-explain it to me, then we're done for today, okay?
Okay then.
So put it down.
So the
Wait,
question
wait,
is find.
wait. I'm not saying you
Okay.
should explain now. I'm saying you should write it down first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. So viewers, that'll be it for now. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.